money, man. Coño.
And if you really think about it, you know, the real ones, that the real hustlers out there, the real dope dealers are the pharmaceutical companies.
Oh yeah,
Coño, those motherfuckers drug dealers.
They're not
Los
regulated.
clean cut motherfucking drug dealers.
Yeah.
And untouchables.
Because you know what's crazy is we get patients that need high blood pressure medicines or whatever the case may be, and these patients have like either Medicare or Medi-Cal, and sometimes they can't get these medicines because a pill costs them like $800-900 for a pill.
And not only that, the politics of that around the world. Si tú revisas la historia de la medicina del VIH, por lo menos países como Brasil y en algunos países de África ya estaban listos para hacer las medicinas ellos mismos.
Pero genéricamente.
Los genéricos. Y no lo dejaban la farmacéutica por una cuestión de business. Fede, ¿tú cómo ves esa vaina?
Because they like own the patent and all that.
Yeah,
right?
exactly. Entonces, exactly.
And that's what's crazy. That's what's crazy about it. Because I talked to the pharmacists over there that study and go through it, and I ask them, does it really cost that much money to make this? They're like, well, through the studies and this and that. I go, but for what they charge these patients, can they really charge? Do they really need to be charging that much money for that?
And I think that's where the true reform comes from. That's what everybody. They're overlooking everything. They're like, there's a difference between being covered and needing to have that medicine as well. La vida que vivimos aquí en los Estados Unidos is also lavished, and we're fat. Everybody's obese.
Yeah.
You got the worst obese kids in the world. All the fat kids out there going to school.
That's because everything's
Shout out to all my fat people.
Shout out to all the fat kids going back to school.
Yeah,
for real. But I'm saying the real issue is the cost of these medicines and how much money these pharmaceutical companies are really turning over.
Ese es el problema, bro. Sorry.
And the thing is that you have two different kinds, because you have it's like clothes. You got the actual brand,
and then you got the more,
and then you got the generics.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And in some of these, the generics work just as well as the brand. But then there's some of these other ones.
They got more side effects.
That the patients really do need the actual brand. But because they own that patent, they can't get it. You know,
have you ever seen the sleep leg syndrome? What is that called?
A restless leg syndrome.
Restless leg syndrome.
Yeah. Part of the side effects are gambling and an uprise in your sex drive. So,
you know,
they're selling ecstasy. Yo, and the other one that I was paying attention to last night, for the first time, I kind of paid attention. I was just looking. The Cialis commercial, como Viagra, side effects, you might go blind. What? Oh, but I have a Woody for a few hours. So.
Yeah, that's the funny part.
No, they mean you got an orgasm that makes you blind, motherfucker. You're like, well, I can't see.
That's a good orgasm, though.
Have you heard that?